Today, we're comparing two popular networking solutions, OpenVPN and ZeroTier. While both enable secure remote access, they have fundamental differences in architecture, performance, and use cases. OpenVPN is a traditional VPN that creates an encrypted tunnel between devices and a centralized VPN server, ensuring secure remote access and data privacy. It requires manual setup and configuration, but provides strong encryption and broad platform compatibility. ZeroTier, on the other hand, is a software-defined networking SDN solution that allows devices to connect over a peer-to-peer P2P virtual network. Unlike OpenVPN, it does not require a dedicated VPN server and provides low latency, decentralized connections that work seamlessly across different networks. To help break it down, I've put together a detailed comparison table below. OpenVPN is a widely used VPN solution that provides secure, encrypted remote access by creating a tunnel between a client and a centralized VPN server. It is known for its robust security features, including AES 256 encryption and TLS authentication. While OpenVPN is a powerful tool for businesses and organizations, it requires manual setup, server management, and additional infrastructure to scale effectively. ZeroTier, on the other hand, takes a different approach by using a peer-to-peer networking model that enables devices to connect directly without needing a dedicated VPN server. This results in lower latency and higher performance, especially for applications requiring seamless cross-network connectivity. It is an excellent choice for remote teams, software developers, and IoT applications that need flexible, decentralized networking. When it comes to scalability, OpenVPN requires additional setup and infrastructure to handle larger deployments, while ZeroTier automatically scales and works across different network environments without additional configuration. In terms of security, both OpenVPN and ZeroTier use strong encryption, but OpenVPN relies on TLS and manual key management, whereas ZeroTier automates encryption key handling for ease of use. For platform support, OpenVPN is widely supported across PCs, mobile devices, and routers, making it a versatile choice for enterprises and businesses. ZeroTier extends its compatibility to NAS devices and IoT platforms, making it particularly useful for software-defined networking and private LAN solutions. If you need a traditional, highly secure VPN with manual control over configuration and encryption, OpenVPN is the best choice. If you prefer a decentralized, low-latency networking solution that scales easily without requiring a dedicated VPN server, ZeroTier is the way to go.